In this lecture, we will see how to create arc. Go to the drop panel, click this drop down. You can see here all the arc tool. In that first one, 3-point arc. Select this 3-point, click the first point and click the next point and click the next point. You can create like this arc. Again, I go to the arc. You can see here start, center, end. What is start, center, end? If you select any arc, you can see here this is the center point of this arc. Then start point where we started the arc, that is start point, and where we finish, that is end point. Every arc we will get it like this: center point and start point and end point. I go to here, start, center, end means start point, center point, end point. First we need to specify start point, next we need to specify center point, next we need to specify end point. Now I select this option. In this option, first we need to select start point. I click the start point. Next, center point, click this center. Next, we need to specify end point. I just go to here, switch off this ortho mode. Now you can make freely this arc. If I click this location, it will finish this end point. I just go to this end. I click here, select this arc. You can see here, this is start point, center point, and this one is end point. I go to the arc. I select this one, start, center, end again. Now I click this start point, center point, and click this end point. You will get it this side. Again, I go to the start, center, end. I click here, start point, center point. Now you can see this arc is creating below this line, but I need it above the line. You can see like this. If I need it above the line, you can start from this point, then center point and end point. Like that you can create. We created this arc like that. But when I creating this way also, I need it above the line. For that, press Ctrl in your keyboard. Press Ctrl in your keyboard, then specify end point. You will get it here. Press and hold Ctrl, then you have to specify end point of arc. Again, I go to here, select here start, center, angle. Select this one. Next, we need to specify the center point. Next, we need to specify angle. I just specify here 45 degree, 45, press enter. Now you can see a arc is created. I just go to the line, click this end point, click this center point. Then I go to here, select this angular, select this line, select this line. You can see here 45 degree. Start point, center point, angle. You can see here start, center, angle. Again, I go to the arc. I select here start, center, length. Length means quad length. What is chord length? You can see here this blue line. From this point to this point, this inclined length, it is chord length. I will tell you. I select this start center length option. Now I click the start point, click this center point. Now you have to specify chord length. In a arc, diameter is the maximum chord length. I just make it like this. I just make here 40, then press enter. Then I go to here, select here align, click here and click this endpoint. You can see here 40. This inclined length is chord length. We created start point, center point, then chord length. Again go to here, select here start end angle. Select this one, start point, end point. Next you have to specify angle. I just make here 90, then press enter. Select this one. You can see here this arc is created like this. In between this location angle, what we specified. I just go to the line, just go near to this arc, click here, make it like this, press escape key. Again, I just go to the line, make a line here, press escape key. Then go to here, select here angular, select this one and select this one. You can see here this degree. Again, I go to here, select this start end angle, click here start point, end point. I just make here angle 60, then press enter. I select this one. Here if you measure this angle between this line and this line, you will get it 60 degree. Again I go to here, select here start end direction. Select this one, start point, end point. Next we need to specify direction. If you switch on here ortho mode, you can create like this straight. You will get it like this off circle. Click here, you can see here. Switch off this ortho mode. I go to here, select this start end direction. Click here, click here. You can make like this direction. Click here, you can see. Again I go to the arc. Select here start end radius. This one is most commonly using arc. Start end radius. Select this one. Click the start point, end point. You can make the radius. I just make here 40, then press enter. Go to here, select this radius, select this one. You can see here what we specified radius. Again I go to the arc, center start end. You can see here start center end, same option here, but the options only change. You can see the first start, you will get it here second, and the center it will go to the first. Otherwise both are same. I select this center start end. First we need to specify center, next we need to specify start point, next we need to specify end point. Go to here, select this center start end, click here center start point. Now you can see it will create like this, but we need it opposite direction. Press Ctrl, then go to here, you can make it in opposite direction. Again I go to here, center start angle, click the center start. you can make here angle. I just make it 90, then press enter. You can see 90-degree, the arc is created. I just go to the line, create a line like this. Then I go to here, select this angular. You can measure this angle. You can see here 90-degree. Again, I go to the arc, select here center start length. This also we used, you can see here start center length, but these two option will change, first one and second one. This center changed to first, this start changed to second option. Select this center start length, click the center and start. You can make here quad length. I just make it quad length 45, press enter. You can see here, if you measure this one, you will get it 45 chord length. So this is chord length. Next option, it is continue. If I click this continue, it will start from where we finish previously. From that point it will start arc. This arc and this arc tangential to each other. This point is tangential point. I just go to the line, click the start point, and I click the end point. Press escape key. This is start point and this one is end point. This point we finish finally. Now I go to here, select here continue. This arc will start from this end point. For arc you can use shortcut command A. Type A in your keyboard, then press enter. You can create a 3-point arc. I just click the first point, next point, and the next point. You can see here arc is created. I go to the shortcut command A, type A, then press enter. You can see here center. Select this center. I click this center. It will ask you specify start point. I click the start point. You will get it here few option, angle, chord length. Which one you want, you can select here, or you can specify end point. If I click here, it will specify directly end point, or I type again A, then press enter. Select here center. I click this center. Click this location. You can select here angle or chord length. I select here angle. I just make here 90, then press enter. You can see here 90-degree arc is created. Similar way you can choose chord length also. So this is the way you can create arc in AutoCAD.